Hey everybody, it's Tom. Today is my video entry for the Great Chili Confrontation. This is a bunch of YouTubers got together, and it was also announced on the Josh and Babe channel, where people are submitting their own videos for their chilies. So this one's going to be mine. It's pretty traditional. I actually got the original recipe from a website, but I've modified it since then for my own taste. So tell me what you think, and let's get to it. Okay, here are the ingredients for my chili. Tomato sauce, fire roasted diced tomatoes, beef broth, cumin, brown sugar, onion or garlic powder, salt, pepper, tomato paste, chili powder. Sorry, Chef Johnny. Kidney beans. Beans go in chili. Let's see. Half a green pepper, half a red pepper, half a jalapeno. I don't want this to be too spicy tonight. A small red onion, ground beef, and ground Italian sausage. For all the actual measurements of all these ingredients, look in the description below. Okay, let's get this thing going. Okay, let's get this show on the road. Get my heat going. Putting it down on medium for now. A little bit of olive oil. Let's start with the onions. Get those going. Alright, those look good. Let's go ahead and add the peppers. Alright, now let's add the ground beef and the pork. Okay, the meat is all browned up now, so let's add the spices. Chili powder, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, cumin, brown sugar, if it'll come out. There we go. Give this a good mix. Okay. Let's put in the tomato paste. That will help thicken the chili up a little bit. Okay. Now the crushed tomatoes, or diced tomatoes. And now, here we go. Let's add the beef broth. I'm going to add about 2.5 cups. And a little bit more. Add the tomato sauce. And now the kidney beans, which I did drain and rinse off. All right, let's put a lid on this and let it go for about 20-25 minutes. We'll see what we have when we come back. See you in a bit. All right, everybody, there it is. It's been going for about 20 minutes, and that looks like it is done. And it's just about the right consistency that I want, because I like mine just a little bit soupy, but not too much. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, everybody, it's done. Here is my final presentation of my chili. I like it with spaghetti. This is my entry for the Great Chili Confrontation. So check out all the other videos. I'm sure they'll be great too. It's going to be really interesting to see what everyone else comes up with. If you don't already subscribe, please do that. Like the video and comment. Thanks a lot. I'll see you again later.